How to customize your Twitch channel on mobile. Hi guys, in today's episode I'll be showing the ways to customize your Twitch channel on mobile. So in order to customize your Twitch channel, there are some basic guides. All you need to do is follow the steps and make sure that your app is completely updated. After you're done, log into your Twitch TV account. Tap the profile icon from the top left hand side corner of your screen, and from the list you need to go ahead and tap on account settings. As soon as you click the account settings button, so from here you can go ahead and customize your username, your channel name, your bio, your profile picture, all sort of things, which you can go ahead and tap the account button. So from here you can go ahead and edit your profile, and then you can just customize all sort of things. So that's basically how you can customize your Twitch channel on mobile. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.